Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are all in the best of health. क्या आपने कभी सिरके यानी विनेगर को टेस्ट किया है? ज़रूर किया होगा। मीठा सा होता है या अजीब खट्टा सा? Yes, it tastes sour. But क्या आपको पता है why is it sour? It is so because of a presence of an acid. च्युइंगम तो सबने खाई हुई है और उसका टेस्ट भी सबको ही पता है। इतना मीठा सा होता है ना। बट वाई इज इट स्वीट इन टेस्ट? इट इज स्वीट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ बेस। असल में एसिड्स एंड बेसेस आर कॉमन इन आवर डेली लाइव्स। Many foods and drinks contain acids. Many cleaning substances used in the home, such as detergents, toothpaste, contain bases. Acids are found in many foods and common things. Some of the common acids around us are ethanoic acid and acetic acid, which is found in vinegar, citric acid, which is found in citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruit. Lactic acid, which is found in yogurt and sour milk. मजे की बात, अंगूर एंड चाय में भी एसिड्स होते हैं। जी हाँ, tartaric acid and tannic acid. You know that the bodies of many animals also contain acids. Is there anyone among you जिसको कभी बी ने काटा हो? कितनी दर्द होती है ना? That is because the pain is caused by an acid called methanoic acid. और कभी कभार जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो थोड़ी देर बाद हमारे लेग मसल्स में दर्द होने शुरू हो जाती है. This is caused by the buildup of lactic acid. Even in your own school, in your own laboratory, we have a lot of acids. 3 common acids which are used in the school laboratory are hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and nitric acid, HNO3. These 3 acids have H in their formulas, which means that they have hydrogen in them. The large amount of pure acid dissolved in water makes a concentrated acid solution, and small amount of acid in water makes a dilute acid solution. There are certain properties of acids which we should keep in mind. Acids have a sour in taste. In fact, the word acid comes from the Latin word sour. Acids are irritants. They cause skin to red and burn easily. Acids easily react with metals. Acid turns the color of the blue litmus paper red. क्या आपको पता है कि हमारे पेंट्स, फर्टिलाइजर्स, डाइज, इन सब चीज़ों में भी एसिड यूज होता है, which is known as sulfuric acid. Dear students, now let us talk a bit about bases. Do you know bases are the oxides and hydroxides of metals? कुछ bases water soluble होते हैं and these are called alkalis, जबकि कुछ water soluble नहीं होते and are only called bases. For example, copper oxide is insoluble in water. So it is a base, but it is not an alkali. Sodium hydroxide is soluble in water. So it is an alkali. याद रखने वाली बात ये है कि all alkalis are bases, but not all bases are alkalis. Some of the common laboratory alkalis are sodium hydroxide, NaOH, aqueous ammonia, NH3, calcium hydroxide, CaOH2. And some of the properties which have to be kept in mind about alkalis are hazardous. Alkalis react with acids. Alkalis react with solution of metal ions. Alkalis turns the color of the red litmus paper blue. क्या आपको पता है कि जो साबुन आप हर रोज यूज करते हैं उसमें भी alkali यूज होता है। जी हाँ, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के नाम से। Acid and bases can react together to form a salt, and this reaction is called neutralization reaction. For example, NaOH reacts with HCl to form sodium chloride and water. Most solutions of acids and alkalis are colorless. Therefore, we cannot identify them just by appearance. इसीलिए इनको टेस्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। To test for acids and alkalis, we use an indicator. One common indicator is litmus. Litmus is red in acids and blue in alkalis. Now we will learn about a very important indicator that does not only tell us about an acid or an alkali, but it also tells us how acidic or how alkaline a solution is. We can measure the acidity or alkalinity of a solution through a scale which we called pH scale. All aqueous solutions contain both hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions. The concentration of these ions differs in solution of different pH. The pH is a measure of the concentration of the hydrogen ions into a solution. Below figure shows us how the pH and concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions are related. Dear students, please look closely at this figure. A solution with pH of less than 7 is acidic. Acids have a greater concentration of hydrogen ions. The lower the pH, the greater the concentration of hydrogen ions and the more acidic the solution is. And a pH of 7, यानी बिल्कुल बीच में, is neutral. This is the pH of pure water. The concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions is of course the same here. A solution of pH greater than 7 is alkaline. Alkalis have a greater concentration of hydroxide ions. The higher the pH, the higher the concentration of hydroxide ions and the more alkaline the solution is. Let's talk about the pH value of random things, like the pH value of milk. The pH value of milk is 6. The pH value of blood. Blood is normally slightly basic, with a normal pH range of about 7.35 to 7.45. Even in our own body, different places have different pH values. In the stomach, pH is 1.5, and in our small intestine, pH is 8.4. The normal pH range for saliva is 6.2 to 7.6. Do you know that most of shampoos are alkaline? Because alkali dissolves grease which is present in our hair. However, as alkalis damage the hair, hair conditioners restore the pH value of hair to its normal value. Most hair conditioners contain some natural acids like citrus acid or tartaric acid, which neutralizes any excess alkali left in the hair after shampooing. And who is the famous person who first made this pH scale? The concept of pH was first introduced by the Danish chemist Søren Peder Lauritz Sørensen in 1909. Students, let us take a quick look at the key points of today's episode. Acids are sour in taste, are irritants, they can easily react with metals, and they turn the color of the blue litmus paper red. Sulfuric acid is the most important industrial acid. The soluble bases are called alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but not all bases are alkalis. Alkalis feel slippery, they are hazardous, they react with acids and solution of metal ions, and they turn the color of the red litmus paper blue. Litmus is red in acids and blue in alkalis. The acidity or alkalinity of solution is done through a scale which we call the pH scale. A solution with pH of less than 7 is acidic. A pH of 7 is neutral. This is the pH of pure water. A solution with pH greater than 7 is alkaline. pH was first introduced by the Danish chemist Søren Peter Lauritz Sørensen in 1909. Let us take a quick test to quiz ourselves and see how much we have learned today. Question number 1. What is the neutral value of pH scale? Option number A, less than 5. Option number B, equal to 7. Option number C, less than 8. Option number D, less than 10. The correct answer is option number B, equal to 7. Question number 2. What is the pH value of pure water? Option number A, less than 7. Option number B, greater than 7. Option number C, equal to 7. And option number D, greater than 14. The correct option is option number C, equal to 7. Question number 3. How do we come to know that a given solution is acidic? Option number A, if its pH value is less than 7. Option number B, if its pH value is greater than 7. Option number C, if its pH value is less than 5. Option number D, if its pH value is 5. The correct answer is option number A, if its pH value is less than 7. Question number 4. Which of the following is acidic? Option number A, lemon juice. Option number B, tomatoes. Option number C, milk. Option number D, all of the above. The correct answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 5. Acids make litmus paper turn. Option number A, red. Option number B, blue. Option number C, yellow. Option number D, black. The correct answer is option number A, red. With this, we come to the end of our episode. Goodbye and happy learning.